Everyone goes to the gym for an equivalent exact purpose, getting into shape and hoping to lose some weight. Next time you're heading to the gym, snack on these fantastic and healthy fitness foods. Not only will they fill you up for a couple of hours, but a number of these foods can help your muscles from suffering injury thanks to heavy weight lifting, help stop cramping, assist you to burn more calories, and provides you more energy for the simplest workout you'll give yourself and your body. The carrot. Rumor has it that if you eat enough of those at some point your skin will turn orange. I even have yet to seek this out, but what I did determine is that carrots are packed filled with complex carbs that provide energy to your muscles. They're also wonderful because carrots contain potassium, which controls your vital sign and muscle contractions. Carrot zucchini bars ***. Ingredients. 2/3 C firmly packed sugar. 1/2 C butter at room temp. 1/3 ounces cheese. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1/2 C flour. 1 teaspoon leaven. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2/3 C coarsely grated carrot. 2/3 C coarsely grated zucchini, excess liquid squeezed out. 1/2 C raisins. Directions. Preheat oven to 350. Grease 9 by 9 by 2 square pan. Beat together the primary 3 ingredients till fluffy. Hammer in egg and vanilla. Hammer in flour, leaven, and salt till well blended. Stir in carrot, zucchini, and raisins. Spoon into pan and spread evenly. Bake for a half hour or till toothpick comes out clean. Cool 10 minutes. Invert and frost with cheese frosting. The avocado. This delicious green fruit, which basically goes with any recipe, is packed filled with cholesterol-lowering monounsaturated fat. This suggests the avocados keep your body strong and pain-free from certain injuries. **** pear and baby tossed salad ****. Ingredients. 3 Bartlett pears, cored and thinly sliced. 6 C baby greens. 1 avocado, peeled and diced. 1/4 C olive oil. 1/4 C juice. 2 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 C fresh basil leaves, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions. Combine vegetable oil, juice, sugar, basil, salt, and pepper during a cruet and shake well. Arrange baby greens and pears during a large bowl. The banana. Bananas are known to be filled with potassium, something everyone must have. Bananas also are full of energizing carbohydrates. **** banana soy smoothie ****. Ingredients. 1 banana. 1/2 C soy milk, organic and calcium enriched. 1/2 C fruit juice, calcium enriched. Directions. Peel the banana, break it into pieces, and put it within the blender with the soy milk and fruit juice. Blend until smooth and serve. If you wish, use frozen banana chunks or add a few ice cubes. Yield, 1 serving. Berries. All berries have powerful antioxidants, which are good for shielding muscles from radical damage like exercising. Just remember, next time you shopping for berries, the darker the color, the healthier the fruit. **** apple berry brunch bake ****. Ingredients. Filling. 4 C peeled, thinly sliced apples, about 4 medium. 1/4 C firmly packed sugar. 1/4 C frozen fruit juice concentrate, thawed. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Topping. 1 C Quaker oats, quick or quaint, uncooked. 1/2 C firmly packed sugar. 5 tablespoons margarine or butter, melted. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Directions. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the filling, combine all ingredients during a large bowl, mix until apples are evenly coated. Spoon into baking dish. For the topping, combine all ingredients in small bowl, mix well. Sprinkle evenly over fruit. Serve warm. Hummus. Most recipes for hummus involve vegetable oil, which contains monounsaturated fatty acids. Consistent with Northwestern University researchers, this excellent acid is understood as fat that helps destroy the gene liable for 20 to 30% of carcinoma. Hummus is understood for its complex carbohydrates, protein, and unsaturated fats. These three elements give us energy during the day. Hummus garlic ***. Ingredients: 2½ c canned garbanzo beans, rinsed. 1½ tablespoons. Juice. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon. Cumin. 1½ tablespoons. Fresh parsley. Salt and pepper to taste. Directions. In a blender or kitchen appliance, blend all ingredients until the mixture reaches desired consistency. For a creamier texture, add 1/4 seawater. Yogurt. Yogurt is sweet for tons of things. The simplest thing has it for breakfast or as a lightweight snack before you go work out. This energy-boosting treat fills you up for a short time and provides you the immune-strengthening tools you would like to form it through the day. Strawberry, orange, banana smoothie ***. Ingredients: 1½ c frozen unsweetened whole strawberries. 1 banana, peeled and hack. 1/2 c orange or fruit juice. 1/2 c non-fat vanilla or another flavor yogurt, not frozen. 1/2 c small ice cubes. 2 tablespoons. Protein powder. Directions. Serve immediately. Makes about 3 c, 2 servings. Chicken thighs. Meals with chicken thighs are a superb source of iron and zinc. Albeit many of us prefer red meat over dark, meat is lower in fat and has enough iron, zinc, and B vitamins for everyone's diets. Sautéed chicken thighs ***. Ingredients: 1 lb. Boned, skinned chicken thighs. 1 tablespoon. Minced fresh sage leaves or 1 teaspoon. Dry sage. 2 to 3 teaspoon. Olive oil. Salt and freshly ground pepper. Sage sprigs, optional. 1 lemon, dig wedges. Directions. Rinse chicken and pat dry. Place each bit between 2 pieces of wrapping. With an important, flat-sided mallet, pound meat firmly but gently everywhere to a thickness of 1/4 inch. Sprinkle one side of every piece with minced sage, pressing into meat. Heat a good non-stick fry pan over medium-high heat. Add 2 teaspoon oil and swirl to the coat pan bottom. Fill the pan with meat, sage sides down, without crowding. Turn pieces and cook until no pink in center, move test 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat until all chicken is cooked, adding more oil if needed to stop sticking. Season chicken to taste with salt and pepper. Garnish with sage sprigs, if desired, and lemon wedges. Yield, 4 servings. Eggs. Many people associate eggs with cholesterol. Having an excessive amount of is clearly not good, but we all need some. Having only 1 egg each day supplies 215 milligrams of cholesterol, which is simply the right amount. Plus, a touch-known fact about ingredients is that it's a superb source of iron. It is also loaded with lecithin, which is critical for brain health. Baked eggs with leeks and salmon ***. Ingredients: 1 dozen large hard-cooked eggs, peeled. 2 ripe California avocados. 1 tablespoon. Juice. 1/4 teaspoon. Coarse ground garlic powder. 2 tablespoons. Finely chopped shallots or green onions. 2 teaspoon. Capers mashed, optional. Garnish, slivers of red, yellow or green bell pepper. Directions. Slice each egg in half lengthwise, removing egg yolks. Use egg yolks in another recipe. Cut avocado in half and take away the seed. Peel avocado and cube. During a bowl, combine avocado, juice, and garlic mashing to blend. Stir in shallots or green onions and capers, if desired. Fill each albumin with avocado mixture. Garnish with bell pepper. Serve. Serves 24. Salmon. Salmon is great for the guts and also contains omega-3 fatty acids which could help lessen abdominal fat. Salmon during a snap ***. Ingredients: Non-stick cooking spray. 4 1-inch thick salmon fillets, about 1 lb. 1/2 teaspoon. Lemon pepper seasoning or 1/4 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper. 1 to 2 teaspoon. Reduced sodium soy. 1 medium orange, halved and really thinly sliced. 2 c small broccoli florets. 1 c reduced sodium chicken stock. 3/4 seawater. 1 teaspoon. Bottled minced roasted garlic or minced garlic. 1 c couscous. Directions. Lightly coat a shallow baking pan with cooking spray, put aside. Season salmon fillets with lemon pepper seasoning. Arrange fillets in prepared pan. Drizzle with the soy. Top with orange slices. Bake, covered, during a 450 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 12 minutes or until fish just flakes easily when tested with a fork. Meanwhile, during a 2-QT saucepan, bring broccoli, chicken stock, water, and garlic just to boiling. Stir in couscous. Serve fish over hot cooked couscous and broccoli. Yield, 4 servings. Low-fat pot cheese. This is something great to snack on before you go work out. Pot cheese is extremely important because it heals the microscopic muscles which will tear during exercise. Zucchini, spinach and mushroom lasagna ***. Ingredients. 1.5 c reduced sodium, low fat, 1% pot cheese. 1/2 c grated reduced sodium Parmesan cheese. 1 egg, lightly beaten. 1/2 teaspoon. Ground nutmeg. 1 can, 16 ounces, zucchini with spaghetti sauce. 12 no-boil lasagna noodles, 7 by 3 1/2 inches, or 6 no-boil lasagna sheets, 8 by 8 inches. 8 ounces. Shredded reduced sodium mozzarella cheese. 1 3/4 c bottled marinara sauce. 1 can, 13.5 ounces, no salt added whole leaf spinach, drained. 2 cans, 4 ounces. Each, sliced mushrooms, drained. Directions. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. During a medium bowl, mix together pot cheese, Parmesan, egg, and nutmeg. Into an 8 by 8 by 2 inch square baking dish, drain liquid from zucchini. Spread evenly over rock bottom of the dish. Place 2 small lasagna pieces or 1 sheet at rock bottom of the dish. Spread with zucchini 1/4 of the mozzarella and 1/4 c of the marinara sauce. Repeat the noodle layer a second time. Spread evenly with 1/2 of the pot cheese mixture, then 1/4 c of the marinara sauce. Repeat the noodle layer a third time. Spread evenly with the spinach, then 1/4 of the mozzarella, and 1/4 c of the marinara sauce. Repeat the fourth layer of noodles. Cover with the remaining half the pot cheese mixture and 1/4 c of marinara sauce. Top with the fifth layer of noodles. Cover with mushrooms, 1/4 of the mozzarella, and 1/4 c of marinara sauce. Top with the sixth layer of noodles. Top with remaining marinara sauce and remaining mozzarella. Cover dish tightly with aluminum foil. Place on a baking sheet. Bake until filling is bubbly and noodles are tender, about 40 minutes. Let stand 10 minutes before cutting. Servings, 8. Adding these ingredients into your meals and snacks before your workout will make an incredible difference when it involves energy and weight loss. For more healthy recipes which will get feeling good and searching good, please inspect recipe4living.com under the healthy category.